What's up YouTube, it's your boy once again Doctor, and welcome back to my channel, guys. I know it's been a while I posted on here. I've been so busy. I've been so busy lately, you know what I'm saying? So I've been so busy. So today I just feel like, okay, let me pick up the phone, let me try and record and teach you guys a new thing. I always come here to teach you a good stuff. So right now today we'll be discussing why 90% of traders fail at market structures and things you need to do instead of that. So guys, I basically trade the market structure. If you've been going through my channel or you've been one of our subscribers, which means you've been watching our video, you will know I basically trade the market structures, and I think that is the key to a profitable strategy, because market structure is the fundamental of the market movement. If you agree with me, even though you don't agree, that's the real thing. So guys, today I'll be teaching you why most of people fail at market structures and what you need to do. If you are tired of getting stopped out or feeling lost in the charts, you are probably ignoring the most important thing, which is the market structures. In this video, I will break down exactly how to read the market structure like a pro and improve your entry for better results. So stay with me, guys, as we'll be going through into the chart. I'll be discussing some things with you. Whatever the strategy you are trading, either be the high CT, SMC, Wyckoff strategy, any strategy you're trading, I'm not here to condemn any strategy that this one is bad, this one is bad. I'm not here to do that. All I want you to know is there are some things you really need to implement in your trading in order to have a solid and a sustainable strategy that will withstand any market movement, be it the uptrend, the downtrend, the consolidation phase. You know what to do, either to stay out or to get in. So first of all, we talk about market structures. Market structure is a blueprint of price movement, the sequence of higher high, higher low, lower high, and higher low. Mastering it help you predict next potential move. So what do you mean by higher highs and higher low? I think I've once made a video about market structures whereby we talk about the higher high and higher low. So what this is an higher high, higher low, higher high. Where do we expect the trade from? This higher low, higher high, higher low again, and the opposite direction when we are waiting for a sell is going to be a lower high. We have a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. These are the two phases which I trade, and then there are three though. There are three. This is the first phase, second phase, and then we have a sideways movement. Some people call it sideways, some people call it consolidation, some people call it a range. Be it whatever you call it, is when we have an equal highs, equal low, equal highs, equal low, equal highs, whereby the market is not really taking out highs. We see the market has been moving in sideways. The market is moving sideways or a consolidation phase, be it anyone you want. But once you see this kind of a thing, you literally have to stay back. So this is another one. And on these ones, I'm really sorry if my drawing is too clumsy. On this one, we can see the market is trading and it's taking out lows. It's literally taking out lows, giving us another lower low, lower high. As you can see, we break and form a retracement there. That's when we need to pick a trade. And what you need to do, if you are trading any strategy, just know the market structure. If you know the market structure, you are ahead of 90% of traders. So we can see the market is taking out many levels, you understand. And on the uptrend too as well, you have this one called the uptrend. I don't even think I mentioned their names. Why? I hope you know it, but don't worry, I will give you other thing. Sorry about that. You have the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, something like that. We see the market taking out the highs. The market is taking out highs, taking out highs. It should have been here. The market is taking out highs. The market is taking out highs. So that's where we look to pick trade. I'm sorry if my drawing is way too bad. Don't mind me. So how to trade this market structure effectively? Instead of chasing price, let structure guide you. In an uptrend, wait for an higher low to form and enter when the higher highs breaks. In a downtrend, wait for a lower high to form and enter when the lower low breaks. What do I mean by this? We can see here the market is trending to the downside. When should we pick trade? We can see this. We have this higher low, lower high. This is when we need to pick trade. Not chasing. This is what we call an impulsive move, an impulsive leg, an impulsive move, and this is a correction. For this, after an impulsive move, there is always a correction. So you don't need to catch a moving trade or catch a falling knife. It's very dangerous. Don't chase the market. The market will eventually come to you, and if it doesn't, it is what it is. There are many opportunities in this market. So don't chase it. Wait for structural to change. Once you see this impulsive, wait for correction. It always come. It always come. It always come in the long run. And then for the other one, which is the uptrend, we have this higher high, higher low, higher high. Wait for, once you see an higher high, wait for an higher low to form before you pick a trade. So this will help you avoid mistakes, entry without confirmation, ignoring overall trend direction, trading the choppy or unclear market. You want to see this kind of a thing, you know the market is clean. It will save you from trading a range. Once you see the market is not moving, what do you have to do? You stay out. Once you see this kind of phase, once you see this is a consolidation phase. You just have to stay out. And this is a what? This is a distribution. We have many stages. We have the accumulation, distribution, you understand. But in order to simplify things, this, let's call this an uptrend, downtrend, so it won't be too complex for us. So we are using this. For the buy is an uptrend, for the sell is a downtrend, and for this one is a consolidation phase or the sideways movement. You just have to stay out of that kind of market. So guys, I hope you really understand what I'm trying to say, because most traders fail because they misunderstood one key thing: market structures. So I've just revealed to you what market structure is, and what, once the market is moving in an uptrend, I know what comes with that. What if the market wants to change in direction? So this is it. If the market is about to change in direction, let's use an uptrend. Let's use an uptrend. If the market is moving higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and the market is about to change in trend, the market is about to change. What do you need to see? Want to see this high? It's come back to this level. It's come back to the level. Instead of the market to respect this level here, the market will just keep dropping and then pull back here again. Let me mark this level. Let me mark up this level. You see? Instead of the market to respect this level, that we can be able to pick a long buy position, stop loss come here, we target this. We are waiting for a confirmation to buy, but unfortunately we couldn't see that. Then we see the market break below and pull back here. And then what do we need to do right here? This is a change in structures. This is a market structure shift. We need to what? Short. We sell, because this is a chart pattern. This is a chart pattern. This is an head and shoulder. Same thing replicates to a downtrend. We see an inverse head and shoulder. You understand? So, and what there are chart patterns that indicate a change in trend, which you really need to follow. We have the head and shoulder, we have the double top, we have the triple top. But the common one of them all is the head and shoulder, because most of times I see the head and shoulder forming. I trust that a lot. Because once we see a triple top, sometimes it might be a consolidation phase for a long period of time. Because I think on gold, I think it was last month, gold consolidated, move up and down. I think it spent about weeks, almost about 3 weeks, if I'm not mistaken, and it was still consolidation, and it still moved to the direction. So all I want to see is an head and shoulder, and on a downtrend, I want to see an inverse head and shoulders. I hope you really understand what I'm trying to say, guys. So with this, you can predict any market movement with yours. I'm not here to change the strategy you use in trading. I just want you to try and implement this and see if you won't win in the long run. So guys, this is just what I've think to share with you, because this is going to be a game changer for you if you try and implement it. Because I don't want this video to be too long, and I want it to be more educative than ever. You understand, guys? So all you need is the market structure. You believe me, once you know the market structure, you are ahead of 90% of traders. This is the strategy I basically trade. So right now, let's go to the live charts, and then let me mark up some levels for you. Let me mark up. I think we am on NZDJPY. Let me delete all these drawings. Yeah, I hope you've all learned what this is. Don't worry, I'm still going to make a in-depth video about market structures. This is basically my strategy, and I trade it on the 4-hour time frame. So let's start. This is it. The whole thing that happened here is a what? Is a consolidation phase. Imagine you trading in between these two levels. You will lose a lot. But once you know this strategy, which is the market structure, you know when to stay out of the market, because the market was literally consolidating. As you can see, let me use this as an example. The market was trending. Wow, this is a good example. The market was trending to the downside. We can see the market giving us a lower low, lower high. You can see the market giving us one. We have another one. Oh, sorry. Oh, I just changed the chart. I think it was NZDJPY. Yeah, NZDJPY. So, and then we see another one forming. We will be very happy to be picking the sell, and the market is literally going in our directions. This is it. We pick a sell here again, dropped. What are we expecting? We've seen a lower low. What do we need to expect here? A lower high. We are expecting a lower high. What do we see? The market literally give us. This is a fake out. We expect the market to pull back into this level, but we didn't see that. What do we see? We see the market pull back here, break up, pull back. This is an inverse head and shoulder. This might not be the best picture, but this is what it is. And after that, let's say we pick the trade, the market gains our 100% retracement. We still make money, bro. And what are we expecting? We're expecting the market to give us another higher high, since we see that we are going in an uptrend. But what do we see from then on? The market never break out. It was giving us a whole consolidation phase, which happened here. And once we see this kind of thing, what do we need to mark? The previous level, which was serve to be a move to the downside, we need to wait for both two levels to close. The two levels to close. This is it. And once you see a retracement on it, either we see a retracement up, we wait for a retracement and then we buy. If we see down below, we wait for a retracement and sell. These ones are fake out. These are faked out. These are liquidity grabs. Many people are looking to buy here. Many people are looking to sell here. And once you sell, it tap you out, take you out, start going in your direction. So what's the best option? Is to stay out of this market. But once we see a break below, what do we see? The market bump, came back again, dropped. I think this is the best way to explain. I don't know, but if you have any difficulties in this, I think on NZDPY we have another one. So on this trade, this is a trade happening right now. Today is Monday. As you can see, 17 March 2025. So what do we see? Same thing that happened up there happened here as well. Last month we were trading, and coming to this month, which was March, we see a whole lot of consolidation. Sorry guys, we see a whole lot of consolidation phase, which is happening. But right now we've seen a what do we call it? We've seen a breakout out of the consolidation. I just want you to look at this chart as it is now, and then think of something. Just think. I give you 3 seconds. Yeah, time's up. So what do you need to see here? What can you see with this? Just with the work of market structure. I know what is going on right now, but in order to clarify things better. So what do we see here? We have structures. The market has been respecting structure to the downside. We can see it's giving us a lower high, lower low. But once we get here, the market try to do something funny. We get here, we are expecting, what are we expecting? The market to give us another lower high, lower, same thing that happened there again. And then we need to wait for a break. So from here on, we are expecting the market to give us a lower high again before pull back, and then we sell. But what do we see? The market give us, this is a fake out. These are the things you need to know. When the market is about to change, it will always give you a chart pattern. We can call this a triple bottom. And right now we are seeing some inverse head and shoulder in between. This is an inverse head and shoulder. These two levels. I said we need to wait for. Once you see a fake out taken, we need to wait for the market to pull back into this level. But not most of times. We can pick a trade here as well. We can see we have a break, but I don't trade this kind of. I want something huge. You understand? And then the market came back. I don't trade this type of thing. I don't, because there's an higher chance that the market will come back to give us a real pullback. You understand? But once I see these wicks tapping into my support or resistance level, I just back off. I need to wait for deeper retracement. And once we see that the market has been pumping to the other side. So what do we need to see here? This is a structure which was supposed to hold, but it doesn't. What do we need to? We need to wait for a retracement. So right now I'm expecting NZDJPY to pull back into this level, and then we buy. But there are two levels. There is one saying that inside Avia, another Avia the inside. So this is literally it. Inside market structure, there's another market structures. You understand? So I think this level 2 is either I pick a trade from here or here, but this will be my how will I say, the one I prefer most. This will be the solid one. This one could hold, but if this one doesn't hold, then we should be waiting. But this one will be my best. This one below will be my topmost option for it happening. So that's it about that, guys. Let's check. Let me look for a pair. I think yes, CAD JPY has done. CAD JPY. Okay, it hasn't really happened. You can see I already mark up my levels. I think is it CAD JPY. I want to show you. There is one I've seen. Yes, exactly. This is it. We are in a consolidation phase. We've been on a consolidation phase for a while. We are expecting the market pull back. We are expecting another lower high, lower low sort of things like that. But we didn't see that. But what do we see? The market consolidated, give us a fake out, and the market was break, pull back. I was to enter this trade, but it was this midnight because yesterday was Sunday. The spread was too high. I'm like, okay, by now I will have break even on this trade. You can see the market break and retest this level. Very simple and straight, guy. Once you know market structures, believe me, every other thing shall be added. They say, seek the kingdom of the Lord first, and every other thing shall be added. So let's do some markups here. So let's see, we are in a downtrend. Exactly, this is it. This is another sharp pattern. This is a double top. This is a reversal pattern. Once we see this, we know the market is about to reverse, and then we wait for a market to retrace inside. This is a neckline, bro. Imagine picking a trade and then you have your this thing is very sweet though, honestly, when you know how to do it. And then we have this level 2. This was what I mean when I said another Avia day inside, another Avia. I couldn't even remember I said it. We are waiting for the market to pull back, but this is another inner market structures which we can actually pick a trade from here. So inside that your Avia, another Avia day inside. So you understand, inside market structure there's another market structures. So market structure in between market structures. You just need to know all you need to do is to know how to identify them. So this is it, and then pick a trade, expecting it to give us. But since we know this, the market initially came back to the point of view where it needs to be, and this is it. Which level? There is this mistake. Which level do you need to mark, here or here? Me, I go for here. I go for the 2. Honestly, I always go. But I know in this case scenario, I will have picked a buy here. I know myself. I will have picked a buy here. Even though it's going to be a loss, I will have. This is my system. If it goes south, it is what it is. This is an inverted trader. But trading the structure, you always know when to back out. And then once I see it fix me, then imagine losing 1% right here and then gaining almost a lot of percent right there. So, and then the market was moving down. We had this level as well too. This level hold. This type of thing, I don't trade it, honestly. I don't trade it. I don't trade those kind of small retracements. This was to be the level, and then we have this retracement. Pick the sell rather, and then the market has been consolidating, and then we see what we were expecting was the market to give us something here. Where I said market structure inside market structures. This is the big one. This was to be the second one, and the market but I was expecting this level to hold. I was expecting it to hold because this level, this is it. This is the inner one. I extend it here. So it is what it is, guys. So let me look for another on the trade that is on bullish trend. I think USD gold. Let's check gold. This will be the last one. This will be the last one. So gold has been moving up exactly what I said. I was expecting the market to pull back here and then drop, but it doesn't happen. And then what do we see? The market consolidated here for a while. That's why I didn't pick the trade. The market consolidated here for a while, and then I was expecting the market to pull back into this level. Once it pulled back, I'm in. So let me show you the trade I'm on. I'm on Euro USD, picking a buy trade. Yeah, still moving small. We have this level. I think you understand. GU as well. GU, I'm buy on both sides. I think I'm only buying on this one because I don't want to be. So if I'm going to be wrong, I just want to be wrong once, not twice, because I'm literally taking trade at that. You see this USDJPY. I already picked a sell. From last week, and the market has been doing something I don't like. I don't care if I hit a loss on this. It is what it is. You can't win all the time. You can see this is market structure. I want to show you the trade I'm in on USD Chef. I'm short on USD Chef. As AUD USD, no, I think we are in a consolidation phase as well. I'm waiting for a breakout. NZD same. We've seen the breakout, waiting for retracement. So guys, it is what it is, guys. That's all you literally need to know about market structures. And in case you're having any difficulties with your trading, you can hit us up. You always know I'm always here for you. Drop your comment and what you think about this. And if there is anything you want to learn about the forex market and you want me to make a video on, just drop it in the comment section. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more proven trading strategy. I'll give you the best and the best strategy. Market structure is the key. Believe me, market structure is the key. And bye, guys. I love you all. Be expecting more video from me.